What's up? Welcome to another episode of Top of the Line Garage, and today we'll be unboxing my new portable paint booth. I got my lovely assistant, my girlfriend with me, and my daughter as well. So let's get to it. First off, as you can see, it came in this red bag, has this plastic wrap around it. I have no idea if I'm gonna be able to get it back in that bag, but let's see. All right, let me give y'all a little background on this booth. Even if you order this brand new, which I got it on Facebook Marketplace brand new, but if you order it off the line brand new, it doesn't come with the blowers, so you will have to order the blowers separate. And this model that I have, it takes 3 blowers, so just keep that in mind. Yeah, it's blowing up pretty fast. Got my number 1 helper out here with me. All right, so look, we finally got it blown up. It didn't take long at all. It's actually pretty cool. I purchased this thing on Facebook Marketplace. Got a pretty good deal on it. Brand new in the bag, in the box, whatever. It has replaceable filters on the side. It's 39 feet by 16 feet wide and 13 feet tall. Equipped with a tool room in the back. Does have a zip up front door. Very clean in the inside. Big windows. You can see the replaceable filters. They Velcro slide out. You can replace them on both sides. You get fresh air in here. Walk back to the tool room. Also has filters. Both sides. Zip up. No overspray can get in here. If you would like, you can actually make this another like parts room or parts paint room. And then also, if you're all the way in the back and you have something wet, you don't want, or something dusty in here, you don't want to open that section with a wet car is painted. There's a back door that you can step out of. So it's pretty cool. Taking it down, goes down pretty easy. Now the main event is going to be packing it up and rolling it back up in that bag. But we'll say that for another video. So hope this helped you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.